Hello viewers, welcome to another session of my YouTube series. So in today's series, we shall be taking a look at Roman numerals. Roman numerals. So I noticed that most students are all very scared when it comes to this Roman numeral topic. They seem so confused. So I'm going to take you step by step on how to go about it, like what to do when you're changing from numbers to Roman numerals and vice versa. So let's get started. The first thing you need to know is to know all your Roman. So you don't have to know everything, but when you know some particular numbers, you can generate your Roman numerals from them. So you have to know the Roman numerals from 1 to 10, which is what I have here, from 1 to 10, and 20 to, like, from 1 to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300, like in hundreds and in tens and in units. You can see that from 1 to 9 is a unit, from 10 to 90 they are in tens, and from 100 to 900 are in hundreds, and this 1000 is in thousands already. So those are the basic things you need to know. So here is an example, changing to Roman numeral. So I have example 1. How do I change 123 to a Roman numeral? So just watch my step, just follow the way I'm going to do it. I have 1, 2, 3, that's 123. So the first step is to write out all the numbers like this: 1, 2, and 3. So let's move to this one. So this one that I write here now, when you use your one hand to cover this your one, I'm left with what? 2 numbers. So I'm going to add 2 zeros. Let's move to 2. When you use your hand to close this 2 here, I'm left with just 1 number. So I'm going to put 1 0. And when you use your hand or your finger to close this 3, how many numbers am I left with? Nothing. So I'm not going to write any zeros. Or you can simply do it as your place value. The place value of 1 is 100. The place value of 2 is 20. The place value of 3 is unit. 100 times unit. Whichever method you choose to adopt is fine. I'm just trying to give you clues on how to go about it. So what is my 100 in Roman numerals? My 100 is C. What is 20? 20 is XX. And what is 3? 3 is III. So just write them out: C, X, X, III. So that is how to go about it. Then let's take a look at another example. Example 2. Let's take a look at numbers that are in thousands. So we have 1439. So how do we convert this to Roman numeral? Step 1, write out all these numbers on this pattern. We have 1, 4, 3, and 9. So let's move to 1. When I use my finger to close this 1, which is this one now, I'm left with 3 numbers. So I'm going to write 3 zeros. Move to 4. When you use your one finger to close this 4, I'm left with 2 numbers. That will be 2 zeros. When I use my hand to close this 3, I'm left with 1 number. So 1 0. Use your finger to close this 9. How many numbers am I left with? Nothing. So you can simply use their place values. This is 1400, 3 tenths, 9 units. 1400, 3 tenths, and 9 units. So let's write them down. What is 1000? 1000 is M. What is 500? CD. What is 30? My 30 is XXX. And my 9 is IX. So you write them out. We have M, CD, XXX, and IX. M, CD, XXX, IX. This is CXXII. So that is all for Roman numeral. So here are some exercises to try out. I have 143, 2, 148, 3, 3294, 1759, 54. So the assessments are from 1 to 10. You can try them on your own. So change to Roman numerals. So in the next video we shall take a look at the vice versa, that's changing from Roman numerals to numbers.